What's the matter? You're driving like a drunken sailor.
I told you, it might take some time.
I thought you could deliver what you promised.
I can.
It was a mistake to send a boy to do a man's job. We should never have gotten rid of the Knight Industries CPU.
You told me to. Besides, it's not the computer you want. It's him, the guy you stole the car from, isn't it? I'll make this work, I will.
I know it must seem strange talking to a television set, but you could say something.
Yeah, I'm sorry, kid. Just thinking about Randy Merritt. You know, I always thought where a person lived reflected who they are.
That can be deceptive. My present surroundings certainly don't reflect who I am.
Yeah, but his room was so empty. KITT, there was nothing of him in there. No personality. No character.
That doesn't surprise me. It sounds like Randy lived in his own private world.
KITT, that's it. His own private world. His mother said he lived inside his computer.
I'll be in the kitchen if you need me.
Thanks. Okay, buddy, let's see what we can find out.
Michael, are you sure we should be doing this? Computers are very personal.
Well, look at it this way, pal. The sooner we find Randy Merritt, the sooner you can trade that portable in for a bigger model.
I'll get right to work. I'm accessing everything that's not coded, Michael. It's all rather predictable. Video games, telephone numbers, homework assignments, several weeks overdue, I might add. Just a moment, what's this?
Orpheus? What's that mean?
I'm not sure, but it must have been important because it's protected by a rather sophisticated entry code.
Can you break it?
Probably. It could take time.
Go for it. We don't have much else to go on.
Michael, someone's calling into this computer.
Calling in from the outside.
Yes, via the telephone. It's another computer.
KITT, that's gotta be Randy. Can you trace the call?
It's coming from a mobile phone.
One man can make a difference, Michael. Michael Knight, a lone crusader in a dangerous world. The world of the Knight Rider.